Hello again, everybody. So, I am a big fan of some of the oddball toy vehicles that have been made in the past. And I got two trucks that certainly are going to fit that bill. A couple old windups that do not work, unfortunately. But still pretty interesting nonetheless. And more fantasy trucks, probably based on real style trucks, but more fantasy based. Plastic vehicles. And this is out of the era, the early 80s, and going back into the mid 70s when some of the companies that produced toy cars and stuff were actually painting the plastic vehicles. Definitely something I'm glad they got away from, because a lot of times the paint simply does not last. But the detail on this is actually pretty good. Surprisingly. Seems like a lot of work may have actually gone into this, and the other one too, I'll show you. You see how the one smokestack actually still has the silver paint, whereas the one on the other side, all the paint's gone. So rather kind of bizarre looking little trucks here. Primitive. Primitive is a good word. There's your maker. C&D. 1981. Made in Hong Kong. So, it's too bad they don't actually work as far as wind-ups. Because I love wind-up toys. I got a small collection of those. Here's the other truck. Same company. This time it looks a little bit more maybe inspired by a Kenworth or a Peterbilt. Same as the other one, a lot of the paint seems to be missing, in particular the chrome paint. But, yeah, unusual. Somebody would describe these as unusual, and I think definitely worth taking a quick look at. So definitely a couple oddballs there. A couple of survivors. Pretty cool. I wish they were in better shape, but still pretty cool. Thanks for watching, everybody.